Okay, finding the orthocenter. If I give you 3 points, negative 4, 8, negative 1, 5, and the point 5, 5. First thing I'm going to do is go ahead and draw or graph these points. So negative 4, 8. There's a point right there. Negative 1, 5 will be the point here. And 5, 5 will be the point right here. And there's my triangle. This is the point negative 4, 8. This is the point negative 1, 5. And 5, 5. I do notice something right off the top. That my y value for this one right here is 5. And this one right here is 5. So I know that this is a horizontal line. So I can go ahead and extend this line out so then I can get the altitude. If this is a horizontal line, the altitude from the point 4,8 down is going to be a vertical line because it needs to be perpendicular. And a vertical line is perpendicular to a horizontal line. And this is going to be vertical at x equals negative 4. Because if you look here, that's where the x is at negative 4. Right? Okay, good. Now, the orthocenter is where all of the altitudes meet. So if I draw an altitude from this line down, this right here, this point right here, is going to be the orthocenter. And what I need to do is figure out what that point is. Now, if I know the equation of the red line, I already know the x value of my orthocenter. The x value is going to be at negative 4. So let's find the equation of the red line. The first thing I do know is I do know these 2 points right here. Negative 4, 8 and 5, 5. So I could find the slope of the line that has the points negative 4, 8 and 5, 5. So the slope is going to equal the change of y, so 8 minus 5, over the change of x, negative 4 minus 5, which this is going to give me 3 over negative 9, which my slope then is negative 1/3. Now that is the slope that contains the 2 points, negative 4, 8 and 5, 5. My red line happens to be perpendicular to that because altitudes are perpendicular. So if the slope is negative 1/3 between my 2 points, the slope of my red line is going to be opposite inverse. So my new slope is going to be 3. So I get y equals 3x plus b would be the equation of that line. Well, here's the cool thing, is I do know the point negative 1, 5 is on my red line. So I can find the equation of the red line. I'm going to say 5 equals 3 times negative 1 plus b. So I get 5 equals negative 3 plus b. Add 3 to both sides. I get b equals 8. So the equation is y equals 3x plus 8. That is the equation of the red line. Now that I know the equation of the red line, I can find my orthocenter. Because we just said a little bit ago, I know the x value of my orthocenter. What was it? Negative 4. Right, so I'm going to plug negative 4 in to my equation. Y equals 3 times negative 4 plus 8. What is 3 times negative 4? Negative 12. Negative 12 plus 8 is negative 4. So my y value is negative 4, my x value is negative 4, so the orthocenter is the point negative 4, negative 4. And we are done.